Local kids. Please subscribe my channel, share and like the video. Now, children, we are going to play a game. So this is a tracing game. Can you guess the number? Can you guess? Very good. This is number 1. Now children, we are going to trace another number. So meanwhile, I'm tracing the number. You guess the number. Can you guess, children? Yes? Very good. This is number 2 number tiles. 1, 2. 2, number 2. Now children, I'm going to trace another number tile. Meanwhile, you try to guess the number. So, children, this is number 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 number tiles. Number 3. Great. So again, guess the number. Which number I'm going to trace? Which number tile is this? Good, children. Do not skip the video. Watch till end. We are going to do a fun activity. Very good, children. This is number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number tiles. Great job. Number 4. So children, again I'm going to trace a number and you have to guess the number. Yes, this is number tile. Which number tile is this? You're very intelligent. It's number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number tiles. Number 5. Great job. Now again the same activity we are going to do. Yes, you can take a piece of paper and you can also do the same activity using number tiles. Great job. Which number tile is this? Can you guess? Yes, my kiddos. Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number tiles. Number 6. Great job. Now children, we are going to repeat the same activity with another number. Which number tile is this? Can you guess?
Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
This is number 7. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number tiles. 7 number. Great job. Now, which number tile is going to Great! Can you guess the number tile? Isn't it interesting? This game is interesting, right? So, which number comes after 7? Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 number tiles. Number 8. Great. Let's repeat the activity again with another number. Which number comes after 8? Can you guess the number tiles? Great! Very good, children. This is number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 number tiles. Number 9. Great job. Now again, let's repeat it with another number. This is... Which number is this? Which number tile is this? My intelligent viewers, tell me. Guess the number. Let's do activity together. This is... Number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 number tiles. Number 10. Great job. 1 number tile. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, kiddos. Please visit again. Thanks for watching my video. Great job, you did well today. Thank you.